Here we go.
Thank you.
Love it.
Danny British.
The Brits.
Me high as a bumbo clot.
Cock that motherfucker back, kid.
Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody ask, who is it? Yeah, who is me? Danny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks and feet like a London street, you know see. 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me I move, me not touch with me. Burn a rape a boy and kill a boy, we touch pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quickly. I wish I could tell you say I'm perfect, but I'm not. Me same one from the block. Oh. From the block. Oh.
Real Rough Riders. Yeah, official. Not the fake like some people I say them are Rough Riders because they have the gears.
Bust a wheelie. Oh, you can't do no wheelie.
The woman come out the morning and deliver a message.
Tears coming,
I'm a virgin. Burn out the woman. Burn out the woman.
I tell you. Cool it down. And put your hand on your screen. This is Prada. The warrior. This is Prada.
Just going to
Smell good. Barbecue sauce? What'd you marinate it with?
some jerk seasoning, but not the wet one, the dry one. Right now. Regular chicken seasoning. Gender tancer, you know, gender is a man like this. Gender is a man like this. Gender like if you say something to him, you question your blood flow.
Feel everything go.
Everything.
Everything.
You
Yeah,
want,
this story now for truth.
you want to know everything.
Yeah.
And he asks you, you can't break.
Yeah.
And they start your back from where you stop. Any conversation. Dangerous. Dangerous boy.
Lick and do the embrace this. Turn for the top bridge. Turn for the top.
That's a cook and all smell good.
Everything I be edit what they call it. Everything I be edit.
Ready piano. Got to myself and ready to go kill the sheep.
Ready to go kill the bap.
Them
chicken neck ready round ya.
neck the pan if you girl.
Bakar, kada you give them chicken neck pa. Give them a chicken neck. It not ready yet. Chicken neck, you know. Now when you next part there, you go hide one gizzard under there too. Gizzard, yeah. That ready, man. The gizzard not ready yet.
Just turn.
And the can them. Yeah. Joe sketch me clocks. Oh. Rough style up already, I cook pork.
So this is Chef Flex kitchen.
Add the Italian sausage in there.
Boss Italian sausage. No say you want.
Italian sausage,
Papa
jerk
say-
style.
Boss say you want everything for jerk, eh? That's what we never do.
That's serious. With the jerk seasoning in there.
The jerk go up in there, look up and look up.
Fly dog.
Fly off the fly. Fly realize everything organic.
Cardi up pitch. In the door, let it flick.
Man said
Clean
Ben
it
fish
right.
I ain't even put the rope on. Yeah. The brethren tell me say if you do cinnamon raisin bagel and avocado coming just like the Jamaican bulla and pear. Because at this we call pear in Jamaica, we don't call it avocado. We call this thing pear. And a foreign you can hear them talk about, that's avocado. Suck your mother. That's how I feel. When we come up for them talk about, that's avocado. Pear. Blood clot. What them call pear? We don't call that pear, we call that fruit. And she coming like peach. Yeah. Yeah, this is our way. Countryside. Jamaica. Drop on me $200 jeans. Hey, how your wickets up here? You bad man, me thinking. Yeah, see it there? Yeah, it's like a... Yeah. You know, if you do it like this, but some me I go do it.
Sorry.
Me eat one already, you know, I just greedy, me greedy.
Go put on that stick that nine, here.
Yeah, bread me I eat right now. You think I joke, yeah?
Hey, come.
Yeah, bread.
No.
Avocado hints.
Maybe it's meant
No.
to do it.
No.
Eat that, mom.
Good.
Yes, that's like bulla pear. Yeah, the chicken on the grill.
Murder, hey, them body fuck, watch it, man. Hey, me not tell a lie. Cool that moment, can talk to you. Put the color. Natural fire color. Hey! Pussy clot. Tap us bad word over your food flex. I'm saying bad word because I want to. Take one.
Yeah, but them are clean, them are not no
Hot
head
one and
body.
medium.
If you have head, you that taste.
More to come.
Go get plate and come to some of them. It's the last turn of this one, you know. No more turn,
Last turn.
See what's going on, that's enough. See what they're
God, kitchen nice later.
doing.
This is better than any restaurant.
Yeah, which restaurant you have by at least?
Man, this is way better than
Yeah,
Shelton.
yeah.
So I'm gonna talk about this and talk about
Ghana 5-star. Yeah.
Is that shot?
yeah. No.
Oh.
One side.
Yeah. Body hot. What do you mean? Wrap them up, man. I was piece of chicken leg, me probably eat it now.
Sure.
What do you mean? Me full and frosted or ready to go rest. I show him jumping. Yeah. Lobster.
Mm.
Yeah.
What?
Wow.
More than tough.
More than tough.
Juicy and soft.
Juicy and soft. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
all. Yeah, pato up eh?
Well, nice. Look at that.
Cook all the way though.
Mm.
Yeah, show it
It's
again.
Yeah. Not
Juicy and
dry.
nice. Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
like the- Never mind.
Yeah.
No, she has no judgment. Because chop the
I want to say
No, me
Left
stop
it.
myself.
It
Yeah.
sausage, you see that? See how that nice. Dark no man. Yeah. Nice juice, you know?
Danny British, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Harder. Yeah. See we come, move, don't jump. Watch. Danny British leader, Brit scam. At the harder. We no thief, we no scam. Yeah, man. Taros in a to your hand. Gunshot a be like tech way. Ball every day like Pepe. Good way walk and step there. Working hard when you check there. Be a bad girl, give me neck, yeah. Pull up on your block with a tech, yeah. Me make your whole family fret where. One diary where tech there. Boy, must the things say the rust did that come with my shit. No.
You know the road, you know what I'm saying? See what I go on. I'm gonna come out there so I see a book on the ground. So I say, me read the book, the first page, because I know my book, me take my bucket of water and pull it. Look what me can run up here. Can't curse me, you know. How kind of book this? No curse. Fire for that. Me not like them signs, zebra. That means I use to take everything, you know. I use it as a sign, you know. So I don't like when I see signs like this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man, blessed you. The blood clot story is not a bad story, a pussy clot. It's not a bad story. Papa said sauce I give about 20 yen or some shit like that. My dogs, they have to thank him. I know true, I true, you know. And sometimes some people try to put powers by you, you get blessed, or some people try, you know, sink your ship and it end up say I feed them ship sink. And you just glad say, you know, you survive it, because enough people are wicked, you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Some people will left every dead, you know. And you know, so them still can barely survive. Them better work for them blood clot. Yeah, not a big investment, see don't like me. Big investment, your bumper clot. W2.
Did that come with my shit? Nah, the chopper what me bring was a key. Vroom, 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 vroom. Shoot up the place. In a bigger day, mother cry on a prayer. Bricks gang when I play. Don't fuck with Tia when him under the rum. Let me squeeze up the gun.